Time to wake up, sweetie. Time to wake up, sweetie. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Come on, it's a school day. Come on, it's a school day. Don't hit snooze again. Don't hit snooze again. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Did you wash your face? Did you wash your face? Hurry up, we're going to be late. Hurry up, we're going to be late. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Eat your food, not play with it. Eat your food, not play with it. Want some milk? Want some milk? Don't forget your backpack. Don't forget your backpack. Put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. Where's your homework? Where's your homework? Did you pack your lunch? Did you pack your lunch? Have a good day at school. Have a good day at school. Be nice to your friends. Be nice to your friends. Listen to your teacher. Listen to your teacher. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Don't be mean to your sister. Don't be mean to your sister. Say sorry when you hurt someone. Say sorry when you hurt someone. That wasn't nice, was it? That wasn't nice, was it? Please clean up your toys. Please clean up your toys. No TV until you finish your homework. No TV until you finish your homework. You can play later. You can play later. Time for homework. Time for homework. Need any help? Need any help? Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Focus, sweetie. Focus, sweetie. Great job! Great job! I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it. Don't give up. Don't give up. Try one more time. Try one more time. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. We learn from mistakes. We learn from mistakes. Be careful, that's hot. Be careful, that's hot. Watch your step. Watch your step. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Don't run inside the house. Don't run inside the house. Turn off the TV, please. Turn off the TV, please. No phone at the dinner table. No phone at the dinner table. Use your inside voice. Use your inside voice. Don't yell. Don't yell. Be polite. Be polite. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say please. Say please. Help me set the table. Help me set the table. Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. Eat some vegetables. Eat some vegetables. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. That's enough candy for today. That's enough candy for today. You'll get a tummy ache. You'll get a tummy ache. Did you feed the dog? Did you feed the dog? Take a shower, please. Take a shower, please. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. Put your dirty clothes in the basket. Put your dirty clothes in the basket.